Well, good morning there, everybody. How you doing today? It is Monday morning, so you'll be watching this on Tuesday morning. We just got back from Florida, 3 o'clock. Well, no, we got back at like 2 o'clock, and then I worked on the computer until 3 or 4 o'clock. Got up at 6 o'clock to get ready for this brick launch. Yeah, buddy. We're about to train some chest after we launch these beauties. We got about 1,200 that we're dropping right now, so we'll see how fast they sell. Again, this is the last of the small production runs. Going forward, we're going to be able to more than quadruple the production. Today, I want to kind of talk a little bit more about nutrition, diet, and training, just to kind of tie that back in. We've been going all over the place lately, and I want to add more value from like a applicable standpoint, like what can I tell you to help you with your own fitness and nutrition endeavors. So that's what we're going to do today, along with shipping out these bricks and the day-to-day stuff as usual. So let's tackle this day with intensity. I had legitimately just had a heart attack, I think. That look like?
Pretty sure he almost had a heart attack.
So we just launched the bricks and they sold out in minutes, but I didn't update the inventory correctly, so I showed us having like 165 of the 2 weeks orders when I only meant us to have like 20 of the 2 weeks orders. So I caught it, but we had already oversold like 150 bricks. But if I hadn't caught that in the few minutes that I did, we would have oversold by like 2,500 bricks, and then I really would have had a heart attack. So stress levels are like through the roof right now. We're gonna go to the gym, but we got it resolved. We got a plan in action. All is good. Everybody's gonna get their bricks. No trouble, no worries.
It's a stressful morning.
I wish I could have checked my blood pressure because it was up there.
I couldn't even like say a word because he was just like.
Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. But we got it fixed. All is good. We're shipping bricks today. We're working out now. I gotta work out. I gotta get some blood flowing in a healthy way because it was unhealthy a minute ago. Alright. You ready to kill it? Chest time, baby. Feel good to be back in the gym?
It does feel good. I'm excited to do lifting today, for sure.
You remember how?
I think I can probably bring back the muscle memory.
Alright, let's do it. solid chest workout in the books. Now, let's go get some work done. Just got done checking our mail, and what'd we get, baby? Healy nuts!
Woo!
We love these things. This guy is like the bomb diggity for sending us these peely nuts. Like, I don't know what we did to deserve them, but they're delicious.
And Robert's been having them for the last like 7-8 months that I was on prep, and I haven't had any. So I'm super excited to dig in. Definitely
hit up Eat Peely Nuts. Oh, is that the name of the website? I think Eat Peely Nuts. I'll link it below. It's good stuff though. Alright, y'all. We're working on packaging the bricks. Let me show what we got going on. We got Crystal over here, handwriting the notes. We got our country music going. Our shipping label printer. All the bricks. And then I'm doing labels over here. Unlabeled, labeled. By the way, our labels kind of came out a little gray for some reason this time, so sorry the color is a little off, but that won't affect the taste at all, I promise. Alright, y'all, all of the boxes, the bricks are packaged, all in USPS boxes. What do you think, Crystal?
I'm excited.
Same day shipping, y'all. Doesn't get any better than that.
Shipping. Only like, it really didn't take us that long.
We bumped it out.
Yeah, we launched at 8 and it's 4:30.
Alright, let's go to the post office. This is the Keto brick sled push right here. Sled pull, I guess. Alright, y'all, the entire box is plumb full. This thing is shipping out today or tomorrow. But yeah, y'all be getting y'all's bricks soon. Alright, y'all, we just dropped off the bricks. The cool thing about having all the shipping prepaid, like we pay for the shipping at the house, print the labels, we could just come to the post office, skip the line, and dump them all off in that big cart. So, yeah, buddy, they should be at y'all's doorstep within the next couple days. Alright, y'all, I'm just craving something. I don't know what I'm craving yet, but I'm craving something that we don't have in the refrigerator. So we stopped at Richard's Meat Market, which is like a local butcher shop here. We're gonna see what we can find in there. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we just got some stuffed mushrooms too. The ingredients are pretty clean. We've only got, it's not gonna focus, but it's good, clean, there we go. Sausage, onion, a little bit of Worcestershire, salt and pepper, good stuff. Alright, Chris and I did a little pit stop here at Starbucks. You already know. We got a pink drink, which I posted about this in the newsletter, but everybody's been asking about it, and I've talked about it in the video. All it is Trinte Passion tea.
They don't have to get a Trenta.
We
just get a giant tea.
We just drink a lot. But it's passion fruit tea, sugar-free vanilla with heavy cream.
But you should say like a splash of heavy cream, or like I still want the water.
Yeah. Let me show you what we got here at Richard's Meat Market for tonight. Hold on. Alright, so we got the jalapeno poppers. There's cream cheese, jalapeno wrapped in bacon. And then we got this beautiful piece of meat. That's just a black pepper burger patty is what it's called. And then we have some stuffed mushrooms with breakfast sausage. I think Crystal and I are gonna split these, and we're gonna have 3 each. Wow, I need to clean my fingernails. Anyways, what do you think about it, Crystal?
I'm really excited about these mushrooms. I have a thing for mushrooms these days.
Now, what do all these macros add up to? What do these 3 things add up to? Let me tell you. Alright, so I calculated the macros for this meal. I'm gonna have 3 of the mushrooms. Pretty much just counted an ounce of sausage, an ounce of mushroom per mushroom basically. And then I'm gonna have 4 of these jalapeno poppers, so 4 jalapenos, total 4 pieces of bacon and 4 ounces of cream cheese, plus the burger patty, which is about 8.5 ounces. So this meal for me tonight is going to be 71 grams of protein, 100 grams of fat, and 11 grams of carbs. So just over my 10-gram carb there. But yeah, that is pretty much what I got working on tonight. I'm going to drink this passion tea pink thing. Makes me look super manly. And about to dig in, so get ready. Alright, so Crystal's cooking the pork. We got the mushrooms in the oven. I'm about to be cooking the burger on that skillet. By the way, real quick, I had to open up this. It's eatpeelynuts.com. I didn't remember it earlier, but check it out. Check it out. I mean, look at the macros on that. 3 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, 40 grams of fat for this entire container. Way better than any other nuts. Right?
Way better.
How long has it been since we've done a Keto Savage Kitchen episode?
Way too freaking long.
We're gonna get on top of that at some point, I promise.
Sometime in the never future.
It's gonna happen. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. My burger's almost done. About to chow down on this in the meantime. Burger is done. Let's cut into it. Oh, look at that, look at that. I'm about to chow down. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright y'all, I'm not gonna even lie. It is like 7:15 right now. I'm going to throw this footage on my computer, take a shower, and go to bed. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, and I feel really good, surprisingly. Like, I feel like I can keep on going. But I'm going to take this opportunity to kind of reset myself, go to bed early, wake up really early tomorrow, like 3 or 4, and just kind of like reset everything. I'm way behind on my emails. I answered all my clients yesterday. I'm going to answer them first thing in the morning. And I just want to kind of reset things, get kind of in a groove prior to KetoCon. After this evening, it's just going to be chaos for the next 2 weeks. So this evening is my opportunity to kind of like chisel out a little bit of catch up on sleep time, which I'm probably honestly not going to really do that well, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to edit this video. I'm going to go to bed. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And thanks for hanging around today. It's a good day. Very good day. That steak was the bomb diggity. Great way to top off a good day. Hope all y'all get your bricks safe and sound. Hope everybody enjoys them. And we'll talk more about training in the very near future, because I've got some new techniques that I want to start incorporating with the training. I'm going to wake up early in the morning and do some fasted cardio. That's one thing I'm going to start doing more often. So that's all I got to say about that. Catch y'all tomorrow.